Hey guys, welcome to another episode of Dear Derm. Today, another viewer sent in a video and I'm gonna check out her skincare routine. Let's get started.
Hi, my name is Naree. I'm 25 years old and I would love some help. First, my skin gets dry patches, mostly in between my eyebrows and a little bit on my cheeks. I don't know if this is because of the masks I've been wearing and just breathing into this, vector of nothingness that my cheeks have been breaking out. I have like uneven texture, almost like a little bit like where I put my highlighter, it just feels really bumpy. And that's my biggest problem right now is the dry patch and the bumpiness that I'm getting around my cheeks. So I normally don't have this much makeup on, but I just went on a Hinge date. So you caught me on a day where I'm wearing more makeup than I usually do. I'll use the Neutrogena makeup remover towelettes.
So I have a love-hate relationship with makeup wipes. I love that they exist because they give an alternative when you're tired and you don't want to deal, but I hate that they exist because they're suboptimal as far as I'm concerned in terms of getting stuff off of your skin. So ideally, if you feel like you want to do a step before cleansing, I would do a double cleanse with like micellar water. I just feel like makeup wipes are like swirling stuff around on your face. So if you do want to do two different steps, the first step would be a micellar water, and then the second step would be a gentle cleanser.
Now I'm gonna wash my face, and I just use a basic cleanser. This is the CeraVe Foaming Facial Cleanser. I just got it at CVS. 3 days a week, I'll exfoliate using the Mario Badescu. I feel like this brand has a bad rap. Mostly for not doing anything, so I want to know how this exfoliator is as well. I won't be exfoliating tonight.
I have no issues with Mario Badescu, but I just don't like scrubs that are botanical. Scrubs, number one, I don't like, and then anything botanical I'm not a big fan of because we know that both of those things independently can dry out your skin, and together it's like a one-way ticket to like Drysville. So I would definitely cut that out. I like the whole idea of using a gentle cleanser. That being said, when the word foaming is in it, foaming is usually drying. So we usually recommend foaming cleansers for people who actually have oily skin. So for somebody who has dry skin, you want a hydrating cleanser.
After I wash my face, I put on some toner, like 1 or 2 drops, and I clap it together, and then I just kind of like even skin tone, especially with like acne scars. I felt like the toner has helped.
One of the things that you said that you struggled with was dry skin and that you exfoliate about 3 times a week. If you exfoliate 3 times a week, that may be a smidge too much if you have dry skin. Also, if you're using the Mario Badescu product, which is an exfoliator, and then put on top of it that salicylic acid toner, well, the salicylic acid toner, salicylic acid is an exfoliator and also helps to like cut through oils to like dry things out a little bit. So again, you want to use that step probably to add in a little bit more hydration. So if you want an extra step there, after your cleanser, you may want to put on a tiny bit of a hyaluronic acid serum. And if you want an exfoliator, I would just use the sal acid toner like 1 time a week.
When I put moisturizer on, I'm very inconsistent with this. A standard for me is the Golden Door Golden Face Oil. It's not very moisturizing, but I just feel like it brightens me up. But something about a face oil, just like when I rub it on, it does feel a little drying. I don't know if I'm crazy about that.
I think that facial oils can be good, but I think you hit the nail on the head. You said it yourself. You think that it actually leaves you more dry. So I would kind of like put that aside. Look for a really nourishing night cream that has great ingredients in it like hyaluronic acids and ceramides and lipids. Things that mimic your own skin barrier.
I'm basing this off of nothing but my own experience, but I found that tea tree oil helps with acne scars.
I don't know who tea tree oil's publicist is, but we all need to find them because tea tree oil has the best rep on the block for doing not so much. I think if your concern is acne scarring, or if you're having acne under all the masks and stuff like that, which you brought up, I would use like a mild retinoid, because retinoids are great for a lot of reasons. Number one, they help to build collagen on the skin. Number two, they help to prevent acne. And number three, they really help to fade down acne marks. Toss the tea tree and start with the retinoid.
The final thing I like to do, and again, I don't know why, I just need a little extra puff, is I'll usually, before I go to bed, just like spray my face with something. This, I know, has a bad rap for doing nothing. I saw it on TikTok.
I would never, ever, ever in my life as a dermatologist tell a patient, and then your final step should be a spray. Like, that would never come out of my mouth. But I also love what you said about the fact, like, you just like that it makes you feel good. That's good. I want you to feel good. I want you to be happy. And if you don't feel like it's too damaging or drying to your skin, you can stick with it. I just want to be honest with you that I actually think that it's probably adding like goose egg benefit.
Hope you can help me with my dryness and my uneven skin texture, and let me know if the products I use are complete trash, because I don't know. Bye.
So here's what I would say. For the dryness, switch out your foaming cleanser for a hydrating cleanser. Exfoliate probably 1 time a week, not 3 times a week, with just one thing, probably the salicylic acid toner. Ditch the Mario Badescu. Not because I don't like Mario Badescu, but just because it's that particular product that has botanicals and stuff in it. And choose a night cream that has really good hydrating ingredients in it. And I would add in an antioxidant. My very favorite is vitamin C. And I would add in a retinoid, and I would get rid of the tea tree. Thank you guys so much for watching, and we want to see your videos, so make sure to DM us on Instagram. Also make sure to subscribe to Well+Good, and we will see you again soon. Bye guys.